What's up, people? My name is Ben Guiles from Band Members Network, and today we're going to give you an unbiased...
What about me?
This is Biggle Miggington. What I ask you to call me? Mr. Miggington. Today we're going to give you an unbiased review of the Harmonist PS-6 by Boss.
Boom!
Band Members Network. Alright, there's the man of the hour.
Alrighty then, let's dive right in.
I
Shut
know
up.
it's gonna be easy. Thank you. Alright, before we get started, I want to show you guys my rig and what I sound like without the pedal. So I have a dual rectifier, Mesa dual rectifier, inside a custom housing, but it's still a dual rectifier. Crank cabinet, pedal board bypass, Schecter C1 guitar, X-Vive wireless system, but this is pretty much naked. All of my knobs are at 12 o'clock, straight up. Let's go clean.
Naked. Naked. Naked.
Clean.
Dirty.
Okay, simple, bare bones shit. You guys know. That's just rock tone. Let's dive into this pedal and see what it can do.
Oh, you want some dive bombs? Super high-pitched, screaming, loud-ass guitar? Whoa! Love it!
I didn't play anything awesome right there, but like it's just so much fun to go. Alright, so this pedal has 4 modes. The knob on the far right side has 4 modes: major and minor harmony mode, pitch shifter mode, DETUNE mode, and the super bend. Super bend is the one that I use the pedal for most often. I use this pedal a lot. 90% of the time it's for that super bend mode. But let's hear it so you guys can get a better idea of what it actually does.
That sounds like shit! Is that supposed to be like that?
See, you change the voicing a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't handle chords well, I've noticed. If you try to play a chord, it doesn't know which note it wants to match. It wants to match all of them and it just goes... Can't figure it out. Minor harmony mode, dirty. I don't know. Pitch shifter mode, clean.
That's getting better.
I think that one sounds much better. Does. Still doesn't handle chords well. No, I don't like that. Pitch shifter mode, dirty. out perfectly. Nah. Not loving it. Not loving it. Detune mode, clean. Essentially takes the note you're playing and gives you another note slightly out of tune, which gives it a wet feeling. Wet. It's wet. It's super wet.
Super wet.
Detune means wet.
It's so wet.
Detune mode, dirty. Super wet. Super wet. Word. So anyway, guys, now you've heard it. That's what this pedal can do for you. I'm not the greatest guitar player in the world. You might be. You can take all these different sounds and morph them and make them into your own thing. And that's what I like to do. Things that sound weird, I love. So this is the pedal for that shit. So it's got 4 knobs. It's got a balance knob, a shift knob, a fall time knob, and your mode knob. There are other videos on YouTube that go way in depth of what this can actually do.
We're not doing that.
Voicing. You can change the balance of the note you play versus the note it creates. You can change the rise time and the fall time of your dive bombs and stuff like that. All kind of stuff with this pedal. It is a lot of fun. Do a little bit more research and decide if it's something that'll work for you. I hope this helped out because this is my unbiased review. I use it all the time. Word. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Band Members Network, where every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we upload a video at 6 p.m. Wednesdays are product reviews like this one. I use this pedal every show we play. If you want to hear what it sounds like on a record or something like that, check out my band's channel. I'll link it right here. And like, comment, subscribe below if you enjoyed this content, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I don't know, man. Your delivery could have been better. I don't know, you didn't sound very confident. I just don't think you have it yet, dude. Maybe a little bit more practice and you'll get this video thing down. But it's not there.